Hello everybody, we are now on the first floor of the Amundsen-Scott South Pole Elevated Station in Antarctica. We're not taking you to the music room right now because someone is in there practicing. I will show that to you later. We have many instruments that is here for us to use, just for us to use as people on station that might be musically inclined. I did want to show you, we've got a couple different display cases of the South Pole markers. So what we do is every year when we have to change the location of the actual geographical South Pole, it moves about 33 feet a year, and that is because we are slowly moving towards the ocean. We will go into that in further depth. But when we change that marker every year on January 1st, we have a very creative group of people here as well. And someone is assigned that every year to build a very unique marker that goes on the top of the metal post every year. And so, there's some more music. And so there are different themes to all of these. We could go through those individually, but right now I just wanted to show you that there is this display case, and there is this display case, and you can really get an idea of how unique each one is. In fact, this one's really interesting because that is the station. That's the bird's eye view of our station, where it is basically, think of like the letter U, it's two U's that are connected in the middle. So that gives you an idea as we're going through this tour.